Welcome to the world of seamless efficiency. In today's fast-paced and dynamic business landscape, the ability to streamline processes and optimize productivity is paramount. This is where workflow triggers step in as your ultimate catalyst for success. By embracing workflow triggers within your existing workflow, you open the door to a multitude of benefits that are set to revolutionize the way that you work, collaborate, and achieve your goals. Workflow triggers act as intelligent gatekeepers, propelling your tasks and projects forward at precisely the right moment. Picture this: as soon as a specific event or condition is met, a chain reaction of automated actions kicks off, saving you precious time and sparing you from repetitive manual interventions. No longer will you need to monitor every step, as these triggers take on the responsibility of launching those actions, all with pinpoint precision. So what exactly is a workflow trigger? It is a behavior or setting used to fire off a workflow. These are customizable to specify who is added to your workflow. One way we can use a workflow trigger is by going to the top and selecting Add New Workflow Trigger. Here you can choose Appointment Status. Next, you'll want to change the workflow trigger name. This way you know exactly what it's triggering off of. You can go and add in any filters of your choosing. Here we'll choose Appointment Status Is, then we'll choose Confirmed. Next, we can go ahead and add another filter to select which calendar group it's a part of. This means that anybody who books an appointment and confirms their appointment within this calendar group will get added to this workflow. That way you can automate actions to follow up with the people who have booked and confirmed their appointment. There are so many different workflow triggers that you can choose from, and also so many filters. This will help specify and select who gets added to this workflow. As you embrace workflow triggers and let the system work its magic, you'll witness firsthand how these wonders optimize your operations, giving you the freedom to focus on what truly matters. No longer bogged down by repetitive tasks or constant monitoring, you can redirect your energy towards innovation, creativity, and strategic decision-making.
That's it! Make sure to follow any lesson instructions below and mark this as complete to keep moving forward.